Across from the master bedroom is our third bedroom, also on the third floor. This room is just filled with light. It comes from the clerestory windows across the whole top of the room. And like the master bedroom, we also have two closets. So you have a closet here, which you can see, as well as a closet behind this door. So they really maximize space for storage. And it goes all the way under the stairs. So no space was lost here. And then you have an ensuite bath. All the bedrooms in the home do. With custom tiling, you have the black matte finish on the accessories like the faucets, and you also have the wood shelf. So it's really lovely the way the designer picked it out.